Toxoplasma gondii is a intercellular parasite that completes its life cycle through cats. When a cat is infected with this parasite, it is said to have a change in behavior and neurotransmitter skills. Um, According to this case study, there is a study done on mice infected with this parasite, and the mice were shown to have a change in their learning and memory skills. Um, T. Gondii is known to go for the brain of the host. They will immediately infect the brain tissue and brain muscle of the host it's devouring, I guess. Not only does T. Gondii infect cats and mice, but it also affects other mammals. And when other mammals are infected with this, they're said to have neurological symptoms like seizures or incoordination. Um, Toxoplasma gondii is a very complex parasite that infects felines but also affects humans. When humans come in contact with this, it's usually through uncooked meat or cat feces. When a human does come in contact with the infection, it depends on their immune status, their genetic composition, and their timing of infection to depend on if they will actually be affected by the parasite. Although it is rare for a human to contract this infection, it is not uncommon, and with it comes many psychological effects such as schizophrenia. The T. gondii organism infects the prenatal brain, as I said before, and with that is very similar traits to the schizophrenic pathogens. Specific studies have been done on pregnant women who were infected with this parasite, and since the parasite, like I said before, directly goes for the brain, many of the women were shown to give birth to stillbirths or unfortunately had to abort their baby due to the parasite. After being after being infected with the parasite, a person is shown to have a change in behavior and psychomotor skills. Individuals who are exposed to the parasite are often predisposed to experiencing psychological effects like schizophrenia. Studies are ongoing to find the ties between schizophrenia and the Toxoplasma gondii parasite. According to this case study, there was a study done on 14 people who had schizophrenia, and those 14 people did not find similar traits in their mental illness and the parasite, but that does not exclude that there can still be ties between the two. Studies are still ongoing for these similarities. A potential explanation, though, could be the exposure to felines, the fact that we get the parasite from feces and we kind of clean up their feces in a way, so it makes sense. It's known for its capability of long-term infection, just like schizophrenia. For example, when a mom has a baby in their tummy and she has genetic compositions of schizophrenia, that baby can be affected while in her tummy, just like with the parasite. The parasite can infect the baby in her tummy, which in later will affect that baby just like schizophrenia would. Schizophrenia doesn't appear until later on in life. So that's another factor into how these two can be connected. 2 studies have been reported between people with schizophrenia and bipolar, and those people were shown to have a greater exposure to cats in their childhood, which also just brings up more questions about the fact of what do our cats have that can affect us. In this speech, I've informed you about Toxoplasma gondii, or T. gondii, and its possible effects on humans. This parasite resides in cats. We have to be completely aware of that, and that our cats, our pets could make us the crazy cat lady. The same parasite could be causing other mammals to have psychotic-like symptoms as well. And bringing this up can better shine the light on what this parasite does to humans and how we can fix it. Bringing awareness could help research better prevent or help people with schizophrenia. Thank you for listening to my speech about schizophrenia and cat ownership. Bye.